এই ভিডিওটি দেখার পর আপনার সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটন কাজ করবে না। যদি বিশ্বাস না হয় সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনে ক্লিক করেই দেখুন।
Hi, I'm Shamgaji from GAW. These apps work only Xiaomi smartphones. First of all, you go to Theme Manager, then download your theme. Then go to MI Editor. Your internet connection must be on. I forgot to on my internet connection. For that, I'm sorry. Then click Pick up theme. Select your theme which you like. You have so other option to change. First, go to description. Change the title or everything. Then click font if you want to change it. Don't click app icon. Then click signal bar. Change. You can change battery, signal, Wi-Fi icons. Then click notification panel. Browse the image. And then set it. You can change edit ruler and everything. You can change notification panel icons. Change the wallpaper. Then click lock screen, change it. You can also change recent panel image. Add incoming call image. Click next and finish. For applying your theme, go to Theme Manager, click your theme and apply. If you change font, the set must be reboot. This is my theme which I create this application. Thanks for watching.